Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? M plus aisles, miles. Ape plus part, a part. Miles apart. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our show. Please join me in welcoming back our returning competitors. The lady on my right has been playing very, very well indeed. Thank you. She has won $13,637 in prizes. This is Butch Dresser. Welcome back, Butch. And good luck to you today.
Thank you.
Facing the same man as on our last program, this man is studying to be a craps dealer in Las Vegas. He has won $7,700 in prizes. His name, Thomas Rutkowski. Thomas.
How you doing, Alex?
All right, good to see you again. Man is from the East Coast, Massachusetts. Butch, where are you from originally?
Michigan.
Michigan. All right, ready to go today?
Yes, I am.
Each of you has lost a game, so this game is very important, but this is one of the prizes.
Say goodbye to work troubles and responsibilities as you sip an exotic coconut drink while lying on the white sandy beaches of Paradise Island in the Bahamas. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Miami. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Sheraton Grand Hotel on Paradise Island in the Bahamas. Sunny beaches, water sports, outstanding dining and entertainment furnished by the Sheraton Grand Hotel on Paradise Island. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Let's show our players where we will find the Bahamas vacation. Paradise Island in the Bahamas is at number 12. And just a comment, as you know, ladies and gentlemen, whenever we give away trips on our program, we talk about them as Gene just did, and we use some footage supplied by the airlines. And I must say that the footage supplied by Delta Airlines in recent weeks has been spectacular. Just looking at the settings for those planes makes you want to travel, doesn't it?
Yes.
All right, let's go to work in this game. Who gets to select first today? Who was in the winner's circle yesterday?
Butch won yesterday.
Butch won yesterday,
yes.
And you won before that?
Yes.
Well, then you'd better select today, Thomas.
Okay, thank you, Alex. Let's try to match that Paradise trip onto my birthday again, lucky number 15.
15, yeah. Car stereo and speakers.
Car stereo and speakers, that's beautiful. Let's see if we can find a match on the number 3, please.
Dinner for 2 at your favorite restaurant. Okay. Butch.
Well, let's start with number 13.
Green take.
Oh, I'd like that. Number 1.
Diamond and ruby pendant.
That's nice.
Thomas?
Very nice. All right, Diamond Ruby looks pretty good, too. Let's see if we can find a match for that or the trip on the number 23, please.
Italian sculpture.
Italian sculpture. Well, that doesn't sound too bad. It sounds interesting enough. Let's see if we can find a match on the number 11.
Dinner for 2 at your favorite restaurant. Butch.
2.
How about number 2, please?
2. Green take.
And number 13.
13. That's a green take also. And that means you've made the first match of this game. We'll put this here for you. Open this up down here. And you get to study this, although there isn't that much showing.
No. Let's try number 11.
Dinner for 2.
Number 1.
Dinner. Oh, no, it's a diamond and ruby pendant. An error. Thomas.
Okay, let's see. I think it might have been on the number 15, my birthday.
No, that's
No,
the
that's the car stereo.
speakers.
All right, let's see if we can match it with a wild card right next door at number 14.
Wild card.
All right.
It's
yes.
there. The other car stereo and speakers is up there at number 6. 3 panels opening for Thomas. Go again.
All right, let's see. We got to find that trip to Paradise Island here. Let's see what's behind number 10, please. Yes.
Paradise Island in the
Match it on the
Bahamas.
number 12. Yeah. Go for it.
All righty.
Yeah.
Are you a gambler yourself?
Yeah, a little bit here and there.
What's your favorite
Dice.
dice? Craps table?
Yeah, that's why I'm going to learn the game.
Yeah, I noticed you've got all the moves. Oh, all right, go for it, yes. Let's open these 2 doors for you, Thomas, and see what they
Okay.
reveal. Try it again.
Okay, let's see if we can get another wild card or the Diamond Ruby, I believe it was, on the number 25, please.
living room ensemble.
Oh, that would be great when I get a new apartment. Let's see if we can find a match under the number 17 for the living room, please.
Wild card.
All right. Oh, yeah.
The other living room ensemble is at number 8. For those of you who are wondering about Thomas's comment, I should mention that he is now living in the back of a half-ton pickup truck. 3 panels
Got all
opening.
flats, though.
Yes. Can't take it out on the road. Pick again.
Okay, let's try lucky number 7, please. Camping equipment. I don't mind camping either. Let's see if we can match the camping equipment number 4.
Wild card again. Butch, he's good today, isn't he? He's lucky at finding those wild cards. The other camping equipment. Number 18. 3 more panels opening for Tom. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 23, please.
Italian
That's
sculpture.
the Italian sculpture. Let's see if we can find a match under number 19, please.
Trash compactor. Butch, here's your
The
chance.
last. Let's see what's under number 16.
Red take.
Oh, that would be nice. How about number 22?
Diamond and ruby pendant.
Diamond
Thomas?
ruby pendant. I believe the ruby pendant was under number 1.
Right.
And number 22. Yeah. Come on, baby. Bring it home. One time.
One time, bringing it home, but he has to solve this puzzle. Can he do it? Go again.
All right, let me have number 20, please.
Italian sculpture.
Yes, and the match, I believe, was under number 24.
Ooh, no. Sorry. Butch.
I think that the sculpture was under 23
Yes.
and number 20.
20 makes it a match. And in addition, you happen to have, from the very first moment of this game, the green take. Le take vert.
I think I'll take the Bahamas.
Yeah?
Why not?
How many trips have you won already,
3.
Butch?
This will make 4.
This will make 4 if you win the game.
That's right.
Yeah, okay.
I have to think positively.
All right,
Alex.
that's good.
You gonna take me with you, Butch?
No, I'm sorry.
She's got a husband, who
husband,
might
yes.
object to that.
Yes.
I can
The
imagine.
trip is over on her side. We open these 2 panels. Go again.
I think I'd like to see what's under number 19
Trash compactor.
and number 21.
Trash compactor. Good selection. It paid off. 2 more doors opening for Butch.
Is it I Had a Ball?
Butch, I think you're going to have a ball on these 4 vacations. I had a ball, says Butch, and Butch is right. There you go. This was a good game. Good game. Come on, Butch.
Thank you. We have the I of the needle and the H plus the add, I had, and the hay for the A, and the ball, I had a ball.
I had a ball, and I hope you're having a ball on our program.
I am.
Thomas, we have enjoyed having you as a contestant on this show. Believe me, you've got 2 strikes against you, but by golly, you really livened things up for us. And I'm glad to say that you're going away with over $7,700 in prizes. We may get to see you at the tables in Vegas. I hope so.
All right, thank you very much, Alex.
care,
Everybody
Thomas.
here was wonderful.
All right, Butch. Let's hear what you have won. Gene?
A trash compactor, Whirlpool's Trash Masher Compactor with automatic deodorizing system and touch-toe drawer opener, furnished by Whirlpool, and an Italian sculpture. Miller imports Armani, hand-painted in Italy, lady with flowers, is designed with intricate detail, styled with the elegance of classic European sculpture, furnished by Miller Imports, and of course, beautiful Paradise Island, Bahamas. And Butch, you have won prizes worth $4,942.
And you will have an eternity playing for a brand new car when we come back after this. When it comes to playing a match against another opponent, Butch is sensational. She's won 5 times. She's picked up 4 fabulous holidays. She's going to Kona in Hawaii.
Yes.
You're going to Bermuda.
Yes.
You've got another vacation in Las Vegas, and you just won to the Bahamas. However, when you
Right.
get to the winner's circle, everything seems to
Wow,
change.
wow.
Yeah, it just doesn't work. However, Butch tells me she has come up with a new system. Let's see if that works. 15 numbered squares for you, Butch. 60 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Nope.
5, 6,
Nope.
7, 8,
Nope.
2, 8,
Nope.
1, 8,
Yes.
9, 10,
Nope.
3, 10,
Nope.
11, 12,
Nope.
13, 14,
Nope.
3, 14,
Right.
9, 13,
Yes.
15, 7,
Right. Nope.
4, 15,
Right.
5, 7,
No.
5, 10,
Right.
11, 2,
Nope.
11, 6,
Yes.
12, 7.
Let's hear it for the new system. There you go, Butch. All right. Tell her about it, Gene.
Butch, you've just won this Honda Civic 4-door DX. Features a 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 1,500cc fuel-injected engine and 5-speed manual transmission. Furnished by Honda, a price worth over $10,000.
That takes you to $28,594. So you've got the car, you've got the vacation, you've got your son Bill here to share this wonderful moment. You were a terrific player, a great champion. Thank you for being with us on the program, Butch. We've got some new players to introduce right after these commercials, so stay right where you are, please. So far, you'd have to say it's been a pretty good show. 2 players leave us, one after losing 2 games, but he earned close to $8,000 in prizes, and then Butch won the brand new car. She has those vacations. She walked away with over $20,000, and we're happy now to welcome these new contestants. Young lady on my right is Melissa Ogle. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly.
That's correct.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Now, where are you from?
Well, I work at USC and I live here in Los Angeles.
Married or
and
single? Did I hear
I'm-
something about
I'm
getting married?
I'm getting married in 2 months.
Yeah?
Yes, almost exactly 2 months.
Where's your fiancé from?
He's from Orange County. We met at USC. We
for
worked
you.
together.
All right, well, that's nice. I hope that doesn't complicate things later on in the marriage. Let's see how things work out today against this player, Rock Hadley. Hello, Rock.
How you doing? All right.
And where are you from?
Senior at Dartmouth College.
Dartmouth.
Yep. I'll be heading into marketing, working for an NFL franchise out here in the West Coast.
You've already got that job
Yep,
lined
already
up?
set, ready to go.
Okay, I hope you're ready to go in our game. Take a look over here. If you guys are musically inclined, this is terrific.
Yamaha Clavinova keyboard gives your family real piano tone and touch, but lets you practice in private. And they never need tuning. Furnished by Yamaha. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Let's take a look at the board, and we will show our new contestants where they can find the electronic keyboard at number 2. This is game number 2 today, so we have the 5 bonus car seconds, we have the cash pot, and there's $800 in the cash pot today. And we have a Virginia Mountain Lake Resort vacation as well. And Rock, you get to pick first.
Okay, that resort that would be great. Number 19.
19, he says, and he comes up with a color
That's
TV.
excellent also. Wild card at number 16.
Wild card at number 16. Why not?
That's right.
The magic works, go with it. The other color TV, upper left-hand corner, number 1. 3 panels opening up for the newcomer, Rock Hadley. Select again.
Still looking for that trip at number 10.
5
Oh.
bonus car seconds.
Match for that under number 22.
No red tape. Melissa,
Okay, well, let's try number 13 to see what's in the middle.
cash pot, $800.
That would be great. Let's look at number 4.
Green tape, Rock.
Ooh, let's go for the cash pot at number 5.
No entertainment
Entertainment
center.
Center. How about the match for that at number 11?
Diamond bracelet. Melissa,
Well, let's try number 22.
red
Red
tape.
take. And how about number 6?
No, there's the cash pot. Rock,
Okay, number 6. And the cash pot at number 13.
there we have another match. Rock gets it. Remember, he's going to be moving out here. He needs money. He needs furniture for his apartment. Open these 2 panels. Rock, are you single or married?
Single.
Single. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Well, perhaps some jewelry would come in handy. Maybe you can make a match on one of the lovely items we have on the board. Pick two numbers.
Okay, let's open up number 9.
35-millimeter camera package.
Match for that at number 4.
No, green take. Melissa.
Oh, that green take again. Let's try number 25.
Virginia Mountain Lake Resort.
Oh, did we see? I don't think we did.
No, we haven't.
Then let's try number 23.
Virginia Mountain Lake Resort. Did that work out or did that work out?
I live in Virginia.
Huh? This could be a possible honeymoon site for you?
Well, possibly, yes.
Possibly. Or are you going to get married in Virginia?
No, I'm getting married here in
Well,
California.
then that would be a great honeymoon. Let's open it up. Select again.
Let's try number 10.
5 bonus seconds.
Number 14.
Wild card, so it's going to work for you. The other bonus card seconds on the board. At number...
Right underneath.
Right underneath, at number 10. Not 10, 15. Let's open these 3 panels. Pick again.
Let's see. How about number 8?
Silver flatware with chest.
Oh, that'd be great.
Sure, those
Gotta have
chests
the
are
chest with it.
expensive.
How about 21?
Green take. There's that
Oh,
terrible
there
green
it
take
is.
again. Rock.
Green take. Was it at number 3?
Was it? No.
No. How about the match for that at number 17?
No, that's the red take. Melissa.
Let's try number 9.
35-millimeter camera.
3.
3 is the match. Yes. Another prize. You've got 3. Rock's got 2. You have control of the board. We open these 2 panels for you. Go again.
How about number 12?
Entertainment Center.
That'd be great. I don't know if we've seen number 11, so let's try number 11.
It's not there. That's
Oh,
the
that's
diamond
right. That's the
bracelet.
diamond
Rock.
bracelet.
Was the Entertainment Center at number 20?
Don't think so.
Super. Match for that at number 8?
8 for the flatware. Yes. Nip and tuck. Back and forth between Rock and Melissa. Can he solve the puzzle now? Try it again. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Remember the deal. You can ring in once we have revealed the first square. We're starting off with number 2. Rock's in there.
Is it Yosemite Sam?
Yosemite Sam is right. Okay, Rock, come on. Go to the board.
All right. Start here with Y plus pose, him, and mit T, Yosemite S plus ham, Sam. Yosemite Sam.
Yosemite Sam, a great cartoon character that paid off for Rock, and it didn't pay off for you, Melissa. 1 strike against you, so we will see you tomorrow in our game. So long for now. Rock, let's take a look at the prizes you have just won. You got some cash there, too.
A catch pot worth $800 and silver flatware with chest. For truly elegant dining, this lovely Michael C. Fina Company silver plate flatware, 68 pieces in a deluxe drawer chest. Part of the fine silver collection furnished by Michael C. Fina Company and a color TV. Panasonic's 27-inch TV and built-in stereo monitor receiver offers full function remote with learning capability furnished by Panasonic. Yo, Rock, you got prizes totaling $2,249.
Good beginning, Rock. We'll be back to put him to the test with a brand new card after this. $100 in cash. Imagine how he's going to feel if he wins one of these brand new cars. Well, let's get to it. 15 number squares, base time on the clock for you, Rock, 35 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No again.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
4, 10.
No.
5, 10.
No.
13, 14.
No.
5, 13.
Yes.
4, 9.
No.
4, 12.
Yes.
9, 3.
No.
3, 15.
No.
2, 15.
No.
2, 10.
There you go.
1, 14.
You got 4 of them matched. You were going very fast. You made some mistakes, but that's okay. You still have the $2,249 in prizes. You haven't lost a game. You're going to play again. And we're going to take a break. Team.
Some of today's participants may receive Shave-In Shower, the amazing razor that flows and gives the smoothest shave even without lather. An ultra smooth shave with Shave-In Shower from Polinex. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Marjorie's just a little bit concerned right now because she's discovered that Rock is 6 feet 6 inches tall and Marjorie is just 5 feet 3 inches tall. But I've got news for you, Marjorie. There is almost no situation that I can think of in which a petite woman, which you are, cannot dominate a guy who's 6 feet 6'6", 6'7", 6'8". No situation. We'll see you all next time right here on Classic Concentration.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production. Due to a production problem, the car game was replaced.